Hello my dear students, today we are going to discuss about division. Division is one of the operation like addition, subtraction and multiplication. Division is the repeated subtraction. In the previous classes you learned how to divide 4 and 5 digit numbers by 1 and 2 digit numbers. Right. So in this class let's revise that. Here we have to divide 3468 by 7. Students, you know about the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder, right? So, ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೋ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೈ ವಿಚ್ ವಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡಿವೈಸರ್. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ನಿಂದ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೋ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಡಿವೈಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. The answer to division is called quotient and the number which we left over after division is called remainder. So these are all the some points on division. Let's divide 3468 by 7. Here 3468 is dividend and 7 is the divisor. Okay. 7 3468. Here divisor has one digit, that is 7. Right. Now we have to consider the first leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 3. But this 3 is less than this 7. We cannot divide 3 by this 7. Right. That's why we have to consider two leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 34. Now we have to find out which number is near or less than this 34 in the table of 7. 7 5s are 35. Right, 35 is near to this 34, but 35 is greater than this 34. That's why we have to consider 7 4s are 28. Okay, 7 4s are 28. 4 should be written in this quotient place, then 28 should be written below this 34. Now we have to subtract 28 from this 34. 4 minus 8. We have to take 1 borrow from this 3. 14 minus 8, that is 6. Here we left 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Now we have to bring down this 6 and we have to write this 6 right side of this 6. Which number is near or less than this 66 in the table of 7? That is 63 on 9. 7 9s are 63. 9 should be written in this quotient place, then 63. 63 should be subtracted from this 66. 6 minus 3, 3. 6 minus 6, that is 0. Now we have to bring down this 8. And 8 should be written right side of this 3. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. 8 minus 5, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. We get 495 as quotient and 3 as remainder. Okay. Let's check our division is right or wrong with the help of formula, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. Dividend is 3468 is equal to divisor, that is 7, and quotient 495 plus remainder, that is 3. 5 7s are 35. 9 7s are 63. 4 7s are 28. 5, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 8, 14, 4 should be written here, then 1 carry to this place, 1 plus 2, 3. For this we have to add remainder, that is 3. 5 plus 3, 8, 6, 4 as it is, 3 as it is. We get 3468. LHS is equal to RHS. Our division is right. Here we have to divide 8940 by 12. Divisor has 2 digits. Now we have to consider the 2 leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 89. Now tell me which number is near or less than this 89 in the table of 12. That is 12 sevens are 84. Okay, 7 should be written in the place of quotient and 84. We have to subtract 84 from this 89. 9 minus 4, 5. 8 minus 8, 0. We have to bring down this 4 and 4 should be written in the right side of the 5. Okay. 48 is the nearest number to this 54 in the table of 12. That goes on 4. 12 4s are 48. 4 should be written in the place of quotient, then 48. 4 minus 8. 8 is greater than this 4. Now we have to take 1 borrow from this 5. 14 minus 8, that is 6. Okay. We have to bring down this 0 and the 0 should be written right side of this 6. And 60 goes on 5. 12 5s are 60. Okay. 12 5s are 60. Now we have to subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. We get 745 as quotient and 0 remainder. Okay. 9761 apples have been packed in 7 boxes. How many apples have been packed in 1 box? How many apples left? ಒಟ್ಟು 7 ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 9761 ಸೇಬುಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೇಬುಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳಿದಂತಹ ಸೇಬುಗಳೆಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ 9761 by 7. ಓಕೆ, 9761. 7 ones are 7. 9 minus 7, 2. 7 should be bring down and you have to write that 7 right side of this 2. 7 3s are 21. 7 minus 1, 6. 2 minus 2, 0. We have to bring down this 6. Then 7 9s are 63. 6 minus 3, 3. 6 minus 6, 0. Then 1 should be bring down 1. 7 4s are 28. 1 minus 8. 8 is greater than this 1. We have to borrow 1 from this 3, that is 11. 11 minus 8, 3. Here we left 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 1394 apples can be packed in 1 box and 3 apples are left over. ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 1394 ಸೇಬುಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳಿದಂತಹ ಸೇಬುಗಳೆಂದರೆ 3 ಉಳಿದಂತಹ ಸೇಬುಗಳು. A book cost 9 rupees. How many such books will be bought for 43,752 rupees? How much money will be left? ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ನ ಬೆಲೆ 9 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆದರೆ 43,752 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬುಕ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು, ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳಿದಂತಹ ಹಣವೆಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ 43,752 by this 9. Okay, here we have the divisor, that is 9, one digit number, and we have to consider here first leftmost digit of the dividend. Okay, that is 4, but this 4 is less than this 9. We cannot divide 4 by this 9, that's why we have to consider two leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 43. Okay, 36 is the nearest number to this 43 in the table of 9. Okay, that goes on 4. 9 4s are 36. 4 should be written in the place of quotient. 36 should be written below this 43. Now we have to subtract 36 from this 43. 3 minus 6. 6 is greater than this 3. That's why we have to borrow from this 4. 13 minus 6, that is 7. Now we have to bring down this 7. 77. 77 is considered as now dividend. Okay, 72 is the nearest number to this 77 in the table of 9, that is 9 8s are 72. 8 should be written in the place of quotient. 72 should be written below this 77. 7 minus 2, 5. 7 minus 7, 0. Then now we have to bring down this 5, and 5 should be written right side of this 5. Which number is near or less than this 55 in the table of 9? That is 54. We get 9 into 6. 9 6 are 54. 6 should be written in the place of quotient 54. Now we have to subtract 54 from this 55. 5 minus 4, that is 1. 5 minus 5, 0. We have to bring down this. Which number is near or less than this 12 in the table of 9? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. 18 is greater than this 12, right? So we have to consider 9 only, that is 9 ones are 9. 1 should be written in the place of quotient, then 9. 12 minus 9, that is 3. 4,861 books can be bought for this 43,752 rupees, and we left 3 rupees. 4,861 ಬುಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು 43,752 ರೂಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳಿದಂತಹ ಹಣವೆಷ್ಟಂದರೆ 3 ರೂಪಾಯಿ. Have you understand, students? I hope you all are clear about today's class. In the next class, we will learn how to divide 6 and a 7 digit number by 3 digit number. Thank you.